Hi, in this video we are going to do a tutorial on how to make independent samples in JASP. First, we open the JASP application and click on the main menu. Then we enter where it says to open, then to the data library, where it shows use a series of categories from which we'll choose the number 2, t-test, and we will use the study of mood and aggression. Here is the number of disruptive behaviors of patients with dementia during two different phases on mood cycle. Each row corresponds to on-participant variables, mood, and others. This example just field demonstrates the use of the t-test on paired samples. Specifically, we will examine the adequacy of the null hypothesis that states that the average number of disturbing behaviors among patients with dementia does not differ between the moon days and the other days. We click on contrast T for paired test and begin to the group variables in order. So first I will go moon and then other. In contrast, select startings. For additional statistics, we select positions apparent, and we also click on descriptive and descriptive graphs where the 95% confidence and interval is selected at the same time. In alternative hypothesis, just pre-select a group, so we're going to live in that way. In verification of assumptions, we choose normality, and we can go now move on the observer detail. The hypothesis of normality of the difference is not significant, so we made the null hypothesis that the data is disrupted normally, and the hypothesis of normality of the difference is not significant, so we made the null hypothesis that the data is disrupted and normally. And then the test of paired samples that the data or more extreme is unlikely to off on the behavior number of disturbing behaviors was the same during the full moon days and the rest of the days. Thank you.